Chapter 4. Materials, Metals and Non-Metals. Let's begin. We have a variety of substances occurring in nature. But the number of elements forming these substances is limited. There are about 90 to naturally occurring elements. These elements are classified into metals and non-metals. Few are metalloids that possess properties of both metals and non-metals. Metals occupy left side of the periodic table, whereas non-metals are present on the right side of it. The non-metals, oxygen and nitrogen, make up 99% of the Earth's atmosphere. Sulfur, iron and carbon are all elements. Physical properties of metals and non-metals. Malleability. Take different materials such as iron, aluminium, copper and silver. Hit all of these with the help of a hammer. Object. Effect on hammering. Whether malleable or non-malleable. Iron. Flattens. Malleable. Aluminium. Flattens. Malleable. Copper. Flattens. Malleable. Silver. Flattens. Malleable. Pencil lead. Flattens. Malleable. Metals such as iron, aluminium, copper and silver change their shape on beating. When these are hit harder, they change into thin sheets. This property by which metals can be drawn into thin sheets is called malleability. Most of the metals are malleable, such as gold, silver and aluminium. Conductivity. Most of the metals are good conductors of heat and have high melting points. That is why they are used for making vessels. Silver and copper are the best conductors of heat, while lead and mercury are poor conductors of heat. Graphite is the only non-metal which is a good conductor of electricity. Ductility. Metals can be drawn into wires. This property by which they can be drawn into wires is called ductility. Gold, silver and copper are very ductile metals. Sonorous. Metal produces sound when they are hit by an object. It shows they are sonorous, while non-metals are non-sonorous. Luster. Metal surface reflects light brightly. It shows that they are lustrous. Non-metal do not. Hardness. Metals cannot be cut easily. But sodium and potassium are the only metals that are soft enough to be cut with a knife. Strength. Usually metals have high tensile strength. Sodium, potassium, arsenic and bismuth are not highly tensile. Chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Reaction with oxygen. We have seen iron getting rusted. FeO3 or rust is iron oxide formed by a redox reaction of iron and oxygen in the presence of water. Try to burn magnesium ribbon in air. When magnesium burns in air, it forms an oxide. Reaction with water. Metals react with water to form either oxides or hydroxides and hydrogen gas. Non-metals do not react with water. This property is helpful in protecting some of the non-metals which are very reactive in air. For example, phosphorus is a very reactive non-metal. Therefore, it is stored in water just like sodium. Reactions of some common metals with dilute hydrochloric acid are given below. We use metallic utensils containing copper, aluminium and iron in our houses to keep different food items. Reaction with bases. Different metals react with different reactants at different rates. Displacement reaction. Displacement reactions are reactions where one element takes the place of another element in its compound. In the reaction, zinc has replaced hydrogen in hydrochloric acid. So, zinc is more reactive than hydrogen. Such reactions are called displacement reactions. Reactivity series. Some metals are more reactive than others. We put them in order of their reactivity in a series that it starts with the most reactive. Uses of metals. Due to their lustrous nature, metals are used for making jewelry items. Metals are used in the construction of houses, buildings, bridges, etc. They are used in making aeroplanes, trains, ships, and automobiles. They are also used in making electric gadgets. Silver foil is used for decorating sweets. Mercury is used in thermometers and CFLs. Chromium and nickel are used for electroplating equipments. Aluminium and copper are used for packaging material. Metals are used to make kitchen utensils. Zinc is used for galvanizing iron to protect it from rusting. Uses of nonmetals. Oxygen is used for breathing in the molecular form. Life on Earth is made of carbon compounds. It is an essential nonmetal. It is present in vitamin, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, etc. Chlorine is used for water purification. Iodine has antiseptic properties and is used in antiseptic creams and lotions. Hydrogen is used as a fuel. Comparative chemical properties of metals and nonmetals. Property. Metals. Nonmetals. Reaction with air, oxygen. Form metal oxides, which are basic in nature. Form nonmetallic oxides, which are acidic or neutral in nature. Reaction with water. Active metals form metal hydroxides and hydrogen gas. Generally do not react with water. Reaction with acids. Form metal salts and hydrogen gas. Generally do not react with acids. Reaction with bases. Some of the metals liberate hydrogen gas. Undergo complex reaction.